to www.repairpal.com, and this is where you'll be directed to. So this is for the normal consumer. This is a normal person can come here and find pricing. It's pretty simple. So RepairPal has all kinds of contracts with different warranty companies, different shops, and what they know is what is the pricing for that general area. So if you see right here, you put in your zip code, 92078 is the shop, or 92009 is in Carlsbad. You'll click right here what type of car it is, Ford. And you can see right here at the bottom it says I have a car care max care plan. That will direct you to certain shops. But if you don't, this is what you can do. Top left, you can get an estimate. If I click on here, it'll direct you to different shops. You can see right here, we're on the second one right here, Centric Auto Repair. But let's go to the get an estimate. So 92009, Carlsbad. Yeah, you punch in your year, make, and model. You use a BMW 440i, continue. And then they'll ask you or show you, okay, what do you need done? And the whole purpose of this is to give you an estimate of a price range of what you expect to pay. So you no longer have to call around different shops and be like, how much does it cost for this? How much does it cost for that? Because usually they'll get all your information and give you a call back an hour later, 2 hours, and give you price because they're busy. Right here, you can just punch in the information and find out what the price is. So you see a list of things right here. If you don't see the list, go right here where it says search, and you can punch in right here what you need. Okay, for example, head gasket. You'll select right here, and it'll give you price range right here, what you should expect. The range is generally from mom and pop shops all the way to the dealerships. So little shops, you'll find them from $6,700, and then from the dealership, it'll be up into $8,300. It does give you a breakdown. So you'll see 14% of its parts and 86% is labor. So that gives you an idea right there. There used to be a breakdown of actually how much parts. I don't see that anymore. But see this little button right here, you can share it, share a link, send it to your husband, your significant other, so they can see the same thing. So you have an idea, hey, this is how much brakes are, or this is how much a tune-up. So let's check out right here, brake pads. Let's see front, both sides, and get an estimate. And you'll see brake pads from 465 to 574. So you have a price range right there. You can see parts is 48% and labor is 52%. And if you want to see somebody in your area that does this or will honor this price, you just view the location and it'll pop up. Okay, you can see us right here. So that's basically RepairPal. Use it. Show your friends. This can be used in any state, Texas, New York. If someone's having an issue, tell them, hey, check your pricing in your area. If you believe a shop is too expensive, check the pricing here and use it.